Next up, we have Commander G. Mark Miller, who was a commander with NOAA, commanding large research vessels. He's now the CEO of, and I have to check this, GMSO, and they provide research vessels for scientists. And also, he is the founder of Greenwater Foundation, which connects scientists with vessels. That's a non-profit. So if you'd please welcome on stage Commander Mark Miller.
As Maywin said to me, putting you closer to the end because we have all the sexy talks. Now you're going to get the scientisty kind of practical talk. But it's important stuff. It's like a shotgun going off when you push this button. All right. So I began my career with NOAA. I had command of the large oceanographic research vessels there. And something I learned while I was there, that it's not science isn't limited by the ideas we have, but it's the limited access we have to the ocean. Ships really can't define what's possible. Today, my focus is on expanding access in practicable, scalable ways. Explorer yachts already travel to places that few other go, high latitudes, remote archipelagos, isolated coastlines. The way forward is already in the community. Explorer yachts routinely travel to remote and seldom visited areas and waters. That access is extraordinary and scientifically valuable. Your adventures can have a real positive impact and might even motivate you to visit places where no one else has ever gone before, and to use these vessels what they were built for. So here's a simple idea. What if every voyage quietly collected data? Not a scientific expedition like the ones we've been talking about, not a schedule change, no scientists aboard taking up space in the jacuzzi, just contributing normal operations. Yachts can be used for full science expeditions, but with modern sensors and new data collection instruments, they can also be used for passive work, contributing incredible valuable data and information to the science community. Modern sensors operate automatically, installed once, running continuously, requiring minimal crew interaction. And with the existing satellite connectivity, this data can stream ashore automatically, no onboard processing, no added burden. Owners remain explorers, and researchers receive data remotely. When a vessel repositions from one destination to another, it is already covering hundreds and sometimes thousands of miles. Modern multi-beam sonar systems can operate continuously while underway. No deviation, no additional fuel. Transit miles simply become mapped miles. It's efficiency in motion. Automated weather stations are compact and familiar to most of the captains of these vessels. They record wind, pressure, temperature, rain, humidity. That information feeds global forecasts and weather archives. It's a small footprint system with global value. Hull-mounted or over-the-side hydrophones monitor ocean soundscapes continuously. Marine mammals, background sounds, vessel noise patterns, all recorded automatically, installed once or deployed on demand. Our friend Michelle, who's in the audience here, his equipment, when deployed, can monitor the health of a reef and other ecosystems in the ocean. Big one here, seawater already flows through most vessels. By dedicating a clean flow-through line, multiple sensors can be added. Carbon chemistry, chlorophyll, temperature, and so much more. One plumbing decision on a vessel can create long-term flexibility for science instrumentation. And let's talk about a few of those. Every organism leaves genetic traces in the seawater, environmental DNA. We've heard it multiple times. Automated inline samplers can collect and preserve the microscopic DNA during a transit. No nets, no activity that anybody ever sees. Inline imaging systems analyze plankton and particles in real time. Light-based measurements track ocean productivity continuously as the vessel moves. And now with AI, systems can identify species in real time and flag unidentified and potentially new species while you're underway. A routine voyage becomes a biological transect. Suspended microplastics are present across all the ocean. Inline imaging systems detect and classify particles automatically during the passage. No trawls, no deck activity. Normal transits become environmental measurements. And let's address the unspoken concern, guest experience. These systems operate behind the scenes, no change to the itinerary, no visible disruption, and many aboard may genuinely be interested in the data being collected. It's kind of cool. Comfort and contribution can coexist. Most systems are modular and containerized, minimal structure modification, installed once, scalable over time. However, many passive systems can also create the foundation for much more active research. Passive data collection can just be the beginning. With simple deck tie-downs and power connections, a yacht can later support more active science, which we've been seeing in the other talks, if desired. Our friend Nico Vincent, who unfortunately couldn't make it for this one, his new ROV system can deploy on a 40-meter vessel, as long as you got the tie-downs and the power capabilities. There is no requirement to do everything. One sensor, one mapping corridor, one partnership. You evaluate, then scale at your comfort level. This piece of equipment is easily installed and transmits your existing data ashore that will be included in Seabed 2030 data. The data enters the global archives. It supports research, models, and publications, even forecasts that you will use yourselves. Your vessel's movements become measurable contribution with enduring impact. Your yachts already travel globally, today independently, but with modest additions, that movement becomes a distributed ocean monitoring and observation network, quiet contribution at scale. A small addition to your vessel, a meaningful addition to ocean knowledge. The technology exists, the need exists, the choice is yours. Let's make every mile count.